Hello, welcome to NAVIFORCE Watch. Here is the real watch display and review time. First, please look at the data on the screen right side here. Today we got the model, it's NF8017. It is a chronographic main watch. And here we can see this watch is a stainless steel watch. And let's have a look at the details on the dial. Here is 3 small windows. The first window on the 12 o'clock position, it is the 1/10 seconds windows, and the window on the 6 o'clock position is the second window, and the small window on the 9 o'clock is the minute window. And when we press this button, then these 2 windows it work. And press again this window, the chronograph it stop. And press this button to reset. Okay. And we can see here there are 2 textures combined on the dial. This small one and here. And we can see that on the 3 o'clock position there's a very big number here to show the time here. And also this is a 3 hands watch, and we have luminous content on the hands and the indices. And now let's have to look at this case. This 2-layer case, and the crown here is the same color as the bezel. And also the band here, it's used the stainless steel band, and the case here used the zinc alloy case. This is a color contrasted band, contrast the silver and the blue color. And here is the buckle. Let's press the buckle and take this protection away. Now here we can see it's the buckle. To press this to button to open this buckle. Okay, for this watch we got 5 colors. Here is the first color. Then I will show you the other colors. Here it's a green dial, and the bezel is a little gray and green color. And the dial, the small window are silver, and the number 3 o'clock is silver too. And the band is only silver, not color contrast. It's a green color dial. And also we see this buckle. I want to try it on my wrist. Okay, here is the watch on my wrist. Okay, the next color. This is a coffee color. The coffee color dial and the coffee color bezel, and also the coffee color contrasts the silver color band. And also the crown is the same color as the bezel. Okay, the next color. This is a very classic color with black dial combine the red color small window. Okay, this band is only silver color, not color contrast. I want to try this one on my wrist. Okay, the last color is blue one, foot blue one. We can see that the dial, the bezel, and the band are all foot blue, and the small window it's light yellow, and the number here on the clock is the yellow too, and also the crown here is the same color as the band as the bezel, and the case is combined with the rose gold color. This is the best. This is the color is my favorite. It's a very fashion and energetic color, I think. I'm ready to try them on the wrist. Yeah. This color I think is very easy to match my clothes, and the dial is not so big. I think a woman can also wear it. Okay, there's all color here for this model. And if you want to how to set the functions about the chronographic and how to set the time, the next video I will teach you how to set the chronography or how to set the hands, the time display. Okay, this is all for today. If you want to see other models, please leave a message for us. I will make the video for you next time. Okay, bye.